This is how I have to go outside. It's minus 11. I look flippin' massive. But yeah, I mean, this is what you have to wear when the weather is like this. I can't even look at me vlogging. Whoa. Okay, but yeah. This is how one has to dress. I'm wearing like 3 layers of gloves inside, you know that? All to just keep yourself warm. So I had to go outside, meet with my advisor, get all the formalities out of the way. I was starting to settle in, but there was one final thing that I had to familiarize myself with. The place is quite far from my dorm room. But yeah, I mean, this is my first time doing the laundry on my own. See how the system works over here. Okay, so I have to put main wash detergent, so I'll go in B. So this part. Right. And then I can, so load laundry, close door. So let me close this now. Add supplies, and then make cycle selection. So I'll go with light wash. What does this mean? Medium. Oh, cycle. Yeah, I'll go with normal cycle, and then temperature can be warm, I guess. Okay, no, then I select cycle and then make payment. Okay. So now I know I can use this app. Scan code. Perfect. And then $1.75 to start machine 9. Yep, it's my machine 9, so $1.75. I'm going for it. Okay. Start. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I did it. I did it. Mom, are you proud of me? I did it. Let's go. Well, that was very easy. It was very, very easy. Amazing. But they gave me a free $5. And this is what happens when you use the CSC Pay app. And it'll probably be finished within this wash only, because this is 1.75. I believe the dryer is another $1.25-ish. I have to check. So it's currently 6:45. It's gonna take obviously 30 minutes. So the breakfast over here opens at 7 a.m. at Hansbeth. It's called Jensen's Dining, our dining hall of Hansbeth. So I'll be going there, having breakfast. By the time I finish breakfast, I'll come back here, then put the clothes in the dryer, and then we can carry on with our day. I have no clue. I'm just so fascinated by this. Brilliant. So this is the dining hall, the breakfast area. I can do that. Look at this. Good morning. Good, how are you? Pancakes. Good. Couple of pastries, few breads, drinks, milk, bunch of cereal, cinnamon toasters. And to end it off, they have some fruits as well. Look at this. It is phenomenal. I love it. Look at that. They have the projector as well over there. But yeah, I'm gonna munch on a nice breakfast, and then we'll go pick up laundry and switch it to the dryer. already 7:13. That means in 2 minutes the washer will be done. Then I have to put it in the dryer. Look at that, 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go. Also, I just saw it's £1. It's $1.30 for the dryer. We're accumulating it both. It's around $3 to get a wash plus the dryer. It sounds pricey to me. Does this mean it's done? But it says door. That means I can open. Yeah, it says door. Oh yeah, open door. Perfect. Now all of this in here. About it, yeah, $1.30. I'm gonna press OK. Next into machine. Okay. And I'm left with $1.95. I then got the dryer clothes and then headed back to my dorm. That is a view, man. That is insane. That is so beautiful. I finally had the time to sit down, take it all in, that I'm finally here settled, as well as update you. And now that all of this is done,